What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Yeah, so the last video I ripped my pants and didn't realize it was bad as it was, and I had to go get the kids from school. So yeah. Anyway, about to pull this motor apart and see how bad cylinder number 1. Since I pulled that plug out, it was a little rusty. So pulled the. I guess I'm gonna start by pulling off the. Actually, I might try to tackle this crank pulley bolt. I don't know if that impact gonna be able to do it or not. Pull the dizzy, take off all the mounts, take off the intake manifold, snatch off the alternator, and probably drain all the fluid and see how bad it looks. Let's go. Bruh. Yo. That is amazing. I just knew I was gonna fight this thing. But I'm thinking this motor probably it's been touched. I think it's been touched. I don't know how touched it's been touched, but it's been touched all over. Like a timing belt. It's a Honda OE timing belt. Don't look too bad. But I think it's been touched. Touch. Oh, shoot. So that's crazy. So I'm thinking what they done, since timing was so far off, they advanced the timing, and that's crazy. So yeah, the timing, I guess, I don't know. It's all ignition, mechanical timing over there on that side. Trying to get the mechanical timing right on this side. I don't know. I'm probably gonna stick them back in the head. So I got to remember, I need to get a OBD2 to OBD1 jumper harness as well, or make my own. Probably order one. I'm not sure. Well, this car gonna stay on HTS or maybe Honda, so it really don't matter with that. But Matilda, the B18, hopefully B18V, if I can find a head. It's gonna be on Fuel Tech, possibly. It's crazy because sometimes I don't even use impact, man. I just like to use a regular wrench, regular ratchet, and take my time. It's like already. Ooh. Oh. There we go. view real low. They already loose. I need to put on my gloves so I don't get my camera. Usually I don't wear gloves, but I'm trying to make it a routine of wearing them because for one, I don't want to like get oil all over the garage and in the house and all that because I'm pretty much known for doing that. So, and plus too, with me trying to video, I don't want to get oil in this camera or my DSLR. I do got a GoPro somewhere. So it's crazy. I bought my, oh man. Oh, here we go. So I bought a Hero 10 and then a month later the 11 came out. I don't know the difference. Other reviews on it because I heard people was like the 10 is a little better, but you know how that can be. Keep them in there. It's crazy. I'm putting everything in this tote. All right. Let me guess you guys want to see under the valve cover. All right. Me too. All right. Moment of truth. I don't know if it's so cool. Ain't too bad. I thought it was gonna be worse. Man. Which is a good thing. I'm gonna say it's not a good thing. Looks pretty good. I took that crank pulley bolt out. I would turn it over, but everything looks good. Yeah. A little build up. Oil smell a little burnt, but I think all valve covers smell that way. Anyway, yeah. We might use this head. We might use this head. I have to get these studs that are broke off in the exhaust manifold, but we get them out. Might use it. Yeah. Getting somewhere. Go ahead and pull this engine mount bracket and engine mount off. Bruh. It worked on that one, I swear. Not on that one. Ah, I'm gonna get that good. Promise you. One day. One day, I'm getting that good. That, which one everybody using? The Makita? Or the Milwaukee? I think it's the Milwaukee. I don't know. One day. Oh. Sheesh. I could have probably just pulled it. Back in there. Which we won't be using these again, but I will lay them to the side. Somebody might need one sooner or later. I'm gonna pull the whole mount off. Are you serious? Yeah, so this motor jump timing. Look how much play in that back pulley, man. Or back of the belt. Front's pretty tight. So pretty sure that's what caused it to jump timing. Like this, a 2 for 2 off. So it should be good. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna use that head or not, but for the most part, everything looking good. Other than I don't know how #1 cylinder is, which like I say, it can either be bored or honed. So, you know, like I said, we have the board, we board. If not, we might stick around and use the 75s. Just depend. Might have a little extra money to try to get everything done, but we'll see. Nope. Not there. Honestly, all the tension back. Could have slid it all. So boy. So got the head off, and to my surprise, now when we pull, and that look like coolant. So I'm trying to figure out, I'm kind of confused. Anyway, so I did pull that plug out. That's the one that had rust on the plug. So that's the one that had rust on it. The other ones are actually pretty good. I don't even see signs of moisture. Well, maybe a little bit. They still don't look like they're dripping. I did not expect to have water in every cylinder, so we should. All right, guys, so pretty much about to wrap this video up. Not sure how long it's gonna be, trying to get back in the groove of doing everything. But I did say I thought I had water in the cylinder, but I forgot the other day I put oil in the cylinder before I turned it over. So it was just oil. So as you can tell, P28. I'm gonna turn it over for you guys. Everything looks pretty good, other than this cylinder, like I say, just surface rust, so should be good. So I'm gonna take it to the machine shop, get it acid bathed and hot washed and all that stuff that they do. I'm gonna measure my pistons and everything, see what size I need, and get everything over to them, get it decked, and hopefully have a solid bottom end. I'm just shooting for 400 and 450 at the track, so 400 should be good. 450 should be fine. Just not sure how long it'll last. And the motor, the Y7 that's in the car now, I'm gonna send off and get CSS and probably shoot for like 600. But Matilda, it's a B18 car. I gotta find a B16 head or GSR or whatever. So might go with a 4-piston head on that, because it's kind of hard finding a head less than $2,000 or $1,000 for a bone stock head, which is ridiculous around here. So, so the video is probably gonna be all over the place, because I still gotta get Matilda in here, get it cleaned out. I'll show you it, and I'll show you the snowman. So, which hopefully Sunday we might take the snowman to the track. Once again, it's a turbo D16 Y7 bone stock GT30 PLM top mount, 1000cc injectors, tuned by me, of course. It's only like 12, 13 pounds. She loves it, but the motor had like 150,000 miles on it, so I'm not sure the condition of it, but she pulls. She loves every little bit of it. But I'm just rambling. But I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully, we'll be tearing the motor apart.